Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally, after lots and lots of work and lots of waiting, I'm so thrilled to finally announce that I will be covering the ABRSM Discovering Music Theory workbooks. I'll be starting with grades 1 and 5, and I'll be scheduling those pretty much every day to get those online and available to you. And then after they are online, I will then be scheduling the grades 2, 3 and 4. I'm putting grade 1 up first because that's the foundational grade. That's the foundation upon which all the other grades are built. And then I'll be putting grade 5 next because that's the grade that people most want, because they want to then be able to progress on to their advanced practical grades. Of course, all of the old associated board syllabus, all the music theory and practice syllabus is still available to you. I have all of those lessons online, and they are over 500 video lessons that I've provided for you. And of course, that is still the same information, and so that is an extra resource that's still available to help you. I'm really enjoying working through these Discovering Music Theory workbooks. I absolutely love music theory, and I think it's so important for a musician. It will benefit you in your performance, it will benefit you, you'll become a more informed listener, and it just gives you the tools to fully get to grips with the subject that we both love. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee. If you visit buymeacoffee.com/Sharon Bill, you can do so. That would be greatly appreciated. You'll find the links in the cards and in the description. I'm also so thrilled to announce that I will be launching a Patreon channel. If it is that you want instant access to all of the video lessons that are available, and you want uninterrupted study that's advert free, you can become a patron. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you can join me in your studies there. As you can imagine, producing these tuition videos takes a lot of time and effort, and of course I have other calls upon my time and have other commitments to attend to, and as such I'm no longer able to keep up with answering everybody's questions. As such, as a patron, you will be enabled to ask me up to 2 questions per month if it is that you want some help and some individualised answers. I'm so thrilled to be able to finally offer out these video lessons. I do love music theory. I think it's such a worthwhile programme of study to follow through the Associated Board Discovering Music Theory workbooks. I'm so looking forward to joining you on your learning journey. And also don't forget that there are lots of resources available to help you on my website as well. So do visit sharonbill.com and find all of the resources that's available to help you there. I'm so looking forward to working through all of these workbooks with you. Thank you for sharing your learning journey with me. Look forward to cracking on. Everything will become available on the 1st of February. That's my big launch date. We'll start the month, and then that will herald the start of the new Discovering Music Theory tuition programme that I've got prepared for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.